Most people believe becoming a millionaire requires a high salary or a lucky inheritance, but that's simply not true. Millions have built wealth steadily on modest incomes, using smart strategies anyone can follow. In this video, you'll discover 7 practical steps that can put you on the path to millionaire status, even if you don't make 6 figures today. From mastering time and money to boosting your income and mindset, these principles work quietly but powerfully over time. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start building real wealth right now, no matter your paycheck. If you want more actionable financial tips, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Step 1. Start early. Let time work its magic. The biggest advantage anyone has in building wealth is time. Starting to invest, even small amounts early, lets compound interest do the heavy lifting, quietly growing your money over decades. Think of it like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, it's small and slow, but as it gathers momentum, it picks up speed and size, eventually becoming unstoppable. For example, investing just $200 a month, starting at age 25, can grow to well over $1 million by retirement at 65, assuming average market returns around 7%. Delay that start by 5 years, and you could lose out on hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential growth. Even if your income feels limited now, don't wait for a raise or the perfect moment to begin. Consistent, early investing is the foundation that powers every other step on your wealth-building journey. By committing to start now, you unlock decades of compounding, turning small, regular contributions into life-changing sums. Step 2. Master your spending. Take control of your cash flow. Building wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Many people with decent salaries still find themselves living paycheck to paycheck because their expenses rise right alongside their income. That's why mastering your spending habits is absolutely crucial, especially focusing on those invisible leaks like unused subscriptions, impulse purchases, and creeping lifestyle inflation. Start by tracking every dollar you spend to uncover where your money really goes. Many are shocked to see how quickly small charges add up over weeks and months. Living below your means doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. It means making intentional choices about what truly matters and cutting out what doesn't. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle every time your income increases. Instead, funnel those raises into investments or savings. By controlling your expenses and maintaining steady spending, you create a positive cash flow, a surplus that becomes the fuel for your investments. Remember, the fastest way to build lasting wealth is when your spending remains steady, but your income and investments keep growing. This balance is the silent secret behind millions who grew wealthy on modest salaries. Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Unlock your financial power. High-interest debt, especially credit card balances, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. No matter how much you earn, carrying debt with interest rates often exceeding 20% can drain your finances faster than you can save or invest. Every dollar paid in interest is a dollar lost that could have been working for you instead, compounding quietly in your investment accounts. That's why eliminating high-interest debt must be your top financial priority. Think of it as breaking free from a heavy financial anchor that's been slowing your progress all along. Start by making a complete list of your debts, focusing on paying off the highest interest balances first to minimize wasted interest. Alternatively, if motivation is a struggle, use the snowball method, paying off smaller debts first to gain momentum and confidence. As you wipe out each debt, redirect those monthly payments into your savings and investment accounts, turning liabilities into wealth-building tools. Remember, clearing high-interest debt isn't just about numbers, it's about freeing up mental space and creating positive cash flow that accelerates your journey to millionaire status. This step lays a critical foundation for lasting financial freedom, especially on a modest salary. Step 4. Boost your income with side hustles. Relying solely on your salary limits how fast you can build wealth, especially if you're on a modest income. Adding one or more side hustles can supercharge your cash flow and accelerate your investing power. Side gigs don't have to be overwhelming. Even a few extra hours a week, freelancing, tutoring, or selling crafts can make a big difference. Focus on skills or passions you already have, or learn new ones that pay well in your spare time. Remember, the goal isn't just earning more, It's creating a sustainable flow of additional income that can be invested consistently. This mindset shift, from trading hours for dollars to creating multiple income streams, is key to building wealth on any salary. Many millionaires didn't get there by their day job alone. They diversified their income to open more doors and opportunities. Even modest extra earnings, when invested wisely, can compound into significant wealth over time. Step 5. Invest consistently and wisely. Investing isn't about chasing quick wins or trying to pick the next big thing. It's about steady, consistent contributions into diversified, low-cost funds that grow reliably over time. Index funds, particularly those tracking the S&P 500, have historically delivered average returns of about 7% after inflation, numbers backed by decades of data. Automating your investments removes the emotional roller coaster and ensures you contribute regularly, rain or shine, avoiding the costly mistakes of trying to time the market. High fees from financial advisors or actively managed funds can silently erode your returns, so choosing low-cost options is critical to maximize your wealth-building potential. It's the discipline of consistent investing combined with patience that turns modest monthly contributions into a powerful wealth engine. Even if your salary is modest, this strategy allows your money to compound quietly, steadily, and effectively. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's grown over years through smart, disciplined habits that keep your money working for you. Step 6. Incremental growth. Increase your investment rate over time. One of the simplest yet most powerful strategies to accelerate your wealth is gradually increasing the percentage of your income you invest each year. Start by committing to a comfortable amount, perhaps 5% or 7% of your income, and make a plan to raise that by 1% every year without fail. Though 1% might seem like a tiny step, over decades, this steady increase compounds dramatically, potentially adding hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars to your portfolio by retirement. Because the increase is tied directly to your income growth, as you earn more, your investment contributions automatically grow, making the habit sustainable without feeling like a major financial strain. This method creates powerful positive momentum and firmly establishes investing as a lifelong habit, instead of a one-time effort. It also acts as a critical defense against lifestyle inflation by encouraging you to prioritize saving and investing before expanding your spending habits. The beauty of this strategy is in its simplicity. Small, consistent increases over time turn modest contributions into massive wealth. By consistently raising your investment rate year after year, you multiply your wealth quietly but powerfully, accelerating your path to millionaire status, even if your salary isn't high right now. This incremental growth mindset changes the game, turning patience and discipline into your most valuable financial allies. Step 7. Cultivate the right mindset. Overcome money fears and build confidence. Building wealth on a low salary isn't just about crunching numbers, it's fundamentally about mindset. Many people struggle with limiting beliefs around money, feeling stuck, undeserving, or convinced that wealth is only for others. These fears and doubts are common, but they don't have to control your financial journey. The first step is to recognize these mental barriers and consciously shift your focus from what won't work to what will work. Adopting a growth mindset means embracing learning, persistence, and steady progress, even when results aren't immediate or obvious. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency over years trump quick fixes or shortcuts. Celebrate the small wins along the way. No matter how modest, they compound motivation and reinforce positive habits. Surround yourself with supportive influences, mentors, books, podcasts, or communities that encourage resilience and smart financial choices. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. By cultivating this resilient, positive mindset, you empower yourself to stay on course toward millionaire status, no matter where you start. Ultimately, your mindset shapes your financial destiny as much as your income or investments. Take action and start your journey today. Now that you know the 7 key steps to becoming a millionaire on a low salary, it's time to put them into action. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's created through consistent, intentional choices over years. Start early to harness the power of time and compounding. Control your spending to free up cash for investing. Eliminate high-interest debt to unlock more financial power. Boost your income with side hustles and smart work. Invest consistently in low-cost funds, increasing your contributions gradually. And above all, cultivate a mindset that embraces growth, patience, and persistence. Choose one step from today's video and commit to it within the next 24 hours. Small actions lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical wealth-building advice. Your millionaire journey starts now. Let's get moving.